am Berna Feadolia from Blessed Sciences 2, and today I am going to react about the topic or issue which is related to genetics, and this is the problems and possibilities of modern genetics, a paradigm for social, ethical, and political analysis. Honestly, there's a lot I could react about this issue or this study because it's very huge. It doesn't talk about the advancement or the development or the modernization in the field of science. It doesn't talk about my future, your future, our future, but it talks about the future of humanity. Because of modernization in the field of science, especially in genetics, it became nothing is impossible. All is possible. It changed how we usually live, how we propagate ourselves. It will entirely change our perspective in life. These advancements in genetics are now operating in the present time, because we already have test tube babies or surrogate mothers who are willing to bear a child for us if we ourselves can't bear a child for our own. Yeah. So this will entirely change our living. In modern genetics, we all know that everything is possible, but this advancement in modernization has brought us good and bad effects. Truly, that science provides us the better life that all people wanted and deserved. So, let's tackle first about the good effects that the modernization in genetics has brought us. So, first, because of modernization in genetics, a lot of people will be benefited, especially those who suffered from great illness, especially cancers or any genetic related diseases. Because of gene therapy or gene design, doctors will be able to eliminate cancer cells and prevent them from spreading out of the body and infect another cell. So that's a good thing for those cancer patients because they have a higher chance of beating their cancers and survived this illness that kills many people already. And also, couple who tried to conceive a baby for years but still doesn't work, they will be given a chance to have their own baby. They only need their cells, a surrogate mother to bear their child for them. So it's all about it's all about the modernization in genetics. And also, in terms of agriculture, genetics are very applicable because we already have GMO products or the genetically modified organisms. We already have the salmon, which is very good product of genetics because in just a few months they are already for harvesting. Not just in medicine or in agriculture, but also it has a great impact in our economy. Because of this, a lot of investors would like to invest to our businesses or to our inventions. So this will boost our economy to the top, or we will be able to gain a lot of income for them. All of these are good, but we humans sometimes extend our limitations. We sometimes create a crazy idea that leads to danger or to bad effects, and that's the time that the bad effects will occur. So because of modernization and genetics, forbidden methods would be legal. So people who are to be more adventurous, who wanted to be different, would have a chance to make their dream come true. Man-to-man relationship would have the chance to have their own child because of modernization in genetics, and so on with female-to-female relationship. Because of the modern genetics, a lot of people can change the way they look into their desired one. They can change their eyes, their skin, their nose, and everything in their body that they'd like to change are all possible already because of this modernization and genetics. But if you have the money, then you can change everything that you want, or you can have the service of modern genetics if you have a lot of money. But if you don't have, then just stay aside and wait for it to become a free. Yeah. So that's it. I hope that the people or the scientists would know their limitations and think for the possible consequences if they extend their limitations, their resources into the highest level. So that would be all. Thank you.